Gardeners are a hopeful bunch, always searching for the next miracle in a bag or bottle. We're drawn to promises of instant success, bigger blooms, greener leaves, heavier crops, if only we buy the right product. But these quick fixes rarely deliver lasting results. The initial burst of growth fades and plants become dependent while the soil is neglected. We end up on a treadmill, spending more for diminishing returns, ignoring the real secret nature's own cycle. The best fertilizer isn't in a store, it's in your kitchen scraps and garden waste. We throw away peelings and leaves, only to buy back synthetic substitutes. By composting what we call waste, we create something far richer than anything in a bag. Working with nature, not against it, builds a garden that's healthy, resilient, and truly alive. The real miracle is already in your hands if you choose to use it. Fertilizer companies sell us a dream, perfect plants, instantly. Their products deliver a quick green-up, but it's a sugar rush, rapid, weak growth that leaves plants vulnerable to pests and disease. Synthetic feeds bypass the soil's ecosystem, harming the very life that sustains healthy plants. Over time, the soil is depleted and we become dependent on more chemicals just to keep things alive. It's a vicious cycle. Plants on life support, soil turning sterile. True gardening isn't about instant results, it's about nurturing the living soil beneath our feet. When we feed the soil, not just the plant, we break free from this dependency. Healthy soil grows strong, resilient plants. No miracle bottle required. The real solution is slow, steady, and sustainable. Don't settle for the illusion of instant green. Invest in real, lasting growth. Let's leave the factory behind and rediscover the garden's true treasure: compost and worm castings. These aren't just fertilizers, they're soil builders, feeding the earth so it can feed your plants. Compost is alive with beneficial microbes. Worm castings are nature's perfect plant food, packed with nutrients and protective enzymes. Unlike synthetic feeds, compost and castings release nutrients slowly, providing a complete balanced diet for your plants. There's no risk of burning roots or washing nutrients away. By composting kitchen and garden waste, we close the loop, turning leftovers into rich, life-giving soil. This process improves soil structure, water retention, and creates a thriving underground ecosystem. We're not just feeding plants for one season, we're investing in the garden's long-term health. Composting is the gardener's true gold. Making compost is simple and deeply rewarding. Mix greens, like grass clippings and veggie scraps, with browns, cardboard, leaves, woody prunings, at a ratio of 1 part green to 2 parts brown. Layer them in a bin or pile, starting with twigs for airflow, and keep the heap moist but not soggy. Turn it every few weeks to add air and speed decomposition. In months, you'll have dark, crumbly compost. For an extra boost, make compost tea. Steep finished compost in water for a day or two, then dilute and use to water or spray your plants. This liquid is packed with beneficial microbes and nutrients. Use it at the base of plants or as a foliar spray for a quick natural tonic. Compost and compost tea are free, easy, and incredibly effective. Your garden will thank you. Adding compost does more than feed plants. It transforms your soil. Organic matter binds soil particles, improving structure, drainage, and water retention. Healthy soil teems with billions of microbes that break down organic matter, making nutrients available to plants. Mycorrhizal fungi form partnerships with roots, extending their reach and boosting nutrient uptake. Compost encourages these beneficial fungi and microbes, building a resilient, self-sustaining ecosystem. A living soil protects plants from disease. Good microbes outcompete harmful ones, and some even produce natural antibiotics. Spraying compost tea coats leaves with protective microbes, reducing disease risk. You're not just feeding plants, you're building their immune system from the ground up. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Invest in the life below the surface, and your plants will flourish. The proof is in the harvest. Take Arthur, who struggled with heavy clay and poor crops. After 2 years of adding homemade compost, his soil transformed. Carrots grew straight, potatoes were easy to dig, and harvests doubled. He stopped feeding plants and started feeding the soil. Or Sarah, a new gardener with spindly tomatoes and constant aphids. She switched from chemical feeds to compost tea and vermicompost. Within weeks, her plants turned deep green, pests vanished, and her tomatoes were the best she'd ever tasted. These stories aren't rare. They're the result of working with nature, not against it. Healthy soil grows healthy plants, whether in a plot or a pot. Composting isn't just a technique, it's a transformation. Real growth comes from nurturing the living world beneath our feet. Anyone can do it and see the results. Gardening is full of myths and hacks, but common sense still wins. A well-managed compost heap won't smell or attract rats. Just balance greens and browns and turn it for air. Forget expensive activators. The microbes you need are already on your scraps. DIY tricks like burying banana peels or adding milk rarely help and can even harm your soil. Composting scraps in a balanced heap is far more effective. Trust the simple, proven methods gardeners have used for centuries. Making compost is about creating the right conditions and letting nature do the work. By switching from synthetic fixes to homemade compost and tea, you save money, reduce waste, and build a resilient, living garden. The real secret to gardening success is available to everyone. Work with nature and your garden will thrive.